Hello everyone, so in this video, we're going to be reviewing the Chyrpe Dating Match and Love dating app. So as you can see right here, it is basically just any other dating app. As you can see right here, with the woman on top, take charge for dating experience, set your own chat rules. So for example, you can avoid talking about your dog, allow spicy talk, allow messages with your name, and allow profile visits, and a lot more. So as you can see right here, you can just get verified like any other dating app. So as you can see right here, we haven't you can't see the reviews right here on Google Play. So right here on the App Store, they're rated 3.9 out of 5 stars, which is basically mediocre. So as you can see right here, this person said it has a mediocre dating pool. However, this varies or depends on your location. As you can see here, please take note making this purchase. Just a regular member. However, the app concept is great. Looks like a lot of resources given the price. Blah 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 blah. So please, that person said, in short, is that he got charged double the amount, without him noticing or knowing, since the app charges you without even asking permission. So if you wanna go ahead and download this app, I advise you to use other dating apps like Tinder and Bumble, which is better and more trustworthy than this dating app, since it's not that famous yet, unlike Bumble and Tinder, which has a lot of dating pools. And yeah, that is basically it. So if you found this video helpful, please consider liking and subscribing.